Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here I am your teacher Sir Irfan Ali Nurani. Hi, hello to all of you. Today is our second lesson start. Now I have already taught you first lesson of Sindhi alphabets and English alphabets. Now we will go today second lesson which is about pronunciations of the letters of Sindhi and how they make. First of all, we will come here and see that this is the Sindhi language for foreigners only. Lesson number 2, pronunciations of sound chart. Pronunciation means sound. From here, Alif to J, I have written here sounds. This sound is called A. In English, we use small ABC A. Here come here, see here, alif zabar be zabar ba. The sound of the Sindhi, this letter be zabar ba, be zabar bha, te zabar ta, the zabar tha, te zabar ta, te zabar tha, se zabar sa. See here, we use in English letter A for this sound. This is A. Or small a is used. Later we will solve some exercise. This is used. Okay, see here now. Be the in English B A. That is the same. B A ba. Ba B H A. We say ba ta T A ta T H A. This is the its accent is a strong or hard. Tha. This one is a ta. Ta. This sound is a stress with the accent hard. Tha. The accent of this sa is a sa. This is a pa, pe the pa, jim the ja, de the ja, je the ja, ne the na. Che dabar che dabar che, hai dabar ha, khai dabar kha, da dabar da dabar da. If this is the spelling, magar here see pa, ja, ja. Sound of this one is ja, nya, cha, cha, ha, kha, da. In English, we insert a, p a, pa, j a, ja. Jha, J H A, jha, J H A, nya, J H A, cha. See the H double A, not double A. Only this one is wrong written here. C H H A, cha, H A, ha, kha. K H is regarded as the kha. Here see the dha. Come here. Da, dal the bada, dal the bada, de the bada, zal the baza, re the bada, re the bada. It has 4 points. Re the bada, ze the baza, sin the baza, shin the baza, so the baza, zo the baza, toy the bata. You can copy from my sound and also can written in your register and then you will learn all of these. But the main thing is that you should talk all the letters as I am talking here, I am saying here. You should also copy this. Now come here. Da, DHA, da, DHA, da, dale, DHA, da, zal, ZA, z, RA, ra, RHA, ra, ZA, z. S-A, sa, S-H-A, sha, S-A, sa, Z-A, za, T-A, ta. Here come here, see here, Zod zabar za, Ain zabar a, Gain zabar ga, Fe zabar fa, Pe zabar pa, Kaf zabar ka, Kaf zabar ka, Khe zabar ka, Gaf zabar ga, Ge zabar ga, Ghe zabar ga. In English, we give this zabar. In Sindhi we give zabar. In English we give only a for showing this sound. Z A Z, Ain A, Gain Ga, Gain zabar ga, G A Ga, F A Fa, P H A Fa. This is a hard sound here. Ka, Q U A Ka, K A Ka, K H A Ka, G A Ga, G H A Ga, G H A Ga. Need the Baranga, Lam the Bala, Mim the Man, Noon the Bana, Ne the Bana, Va the Barba, He the Baraha, Hamza the Bara, Je the Baraja. See here, in English, Nga is written in this G H A. It is called La, L A, La, M A, Ma, N A, Na, N H A. This is a strong sound with the accent hard, N H A, Va, W A, Va, R V A, same. This is the same sound. V A, Va, H A, Ha, Hamza, Zabar A, or and then this J Zabar Ja. You can write this Y A, Yeah. These are all sounds of the Zabar one, and in English we give here A. Now the different letters has been written here. For examples, these are the examples given here. You see that and follow my instructions. Now spell it. Khedabaraka, tedabatta, khatta. In English, the khatta is called in English coat. Coat means khatta. Pedarpa, kedabaraka, pagga. In English, we say turban. Natha. Nuntabana, tedabatta, natha. You see how the letters joined together and make a word in Sindhi. But in English, you see here, nut, which is called in English, nose piece. It is used in Asian. In Asian, the nose piece is worn into nose. Here see. Pedabarpa, tedabatta, patta. In English, we say floor. Panna, pedarpa, nudabanna, panna. In English, this is the plural of the leaf. Leaves. The plural of the leaf is the plural of leaf is leaves. More leaf. Okay. This is the upper part of the X. We can say that the upper part of the X is called in Sindhi Ganna. Ganna. See here. Gadarga, Bedarpa, Gappa. Gappa means some dirt is present in soil and very difficult to go in that way. This is called Gappa in Sindhi. Gappa. In English, we say dirt, D-I-R-T, dirt. Gassa, it is a way or track. Gadarga, Sindhamasa, Gassa. In English, we say track. Kadarka, Nundamana, Kanna. It means plural of ears. Plural of ear. Ear means one nose, one ear, and plural of the ear is the ears. Kanna. Dara. Dara ka matlab hai doors. The plural of door. Doors. Hedabarha, thedabata, hatta. It means two hands. Two, more than two. More than one, hands. Means hatta. Gara. Gar mein gedabar gar, edabar gara. In English we say house. Houses. This is the plural of house. See here. Badaka. Bedarba, dalabada, kadarka, badaka. We say in English duck. Dedabat, dhaldabada, kadarka, nebajano, duckano. In English we say lid. Dedabada, nedabada, janya. We say bridal procession. In Asia, bridal procession celebrated in groom's house when the marriage took place. See here in another way to write half letters. In English, we insert some letters. For an example, A, it is written, A is a capital, A is a small ABC. It is used in between or in between letters. So it is in Sindhi we called half letter. Half letter is used also. Full letter is, this is the full letter and this is a half letter. See here. This is a full letter alif. This is a half letter in English. A is used. In B, bay, this is the half letter of the bay. In English, we use B, bay. This is a full letter, and this is the half letter. Bay. In English, BH is used, small ABC is used. Okay, now come here, te. This is a te, this is a half letter, this is a complete letter. See here, T is used in English. The, this is a half letter, th. In English, it is used. Te, this one is a half letter. Ta, pe, this is a half, this is a complete letter of the Sindhi, and this is the half letter of P. In English, P is used. Jim, this is a half letter. J, in J, English, J. J, in English, JH is used. J, JH is used. JH is used. Ch, we say here, this is a half letter. Ch, C, in English, CH, small ABC, small C and H. Che, this is a che. Half is used. This is a full letter of Sindhi. This is a half letter in Sindhi. CHH. High, H is used. Khai, look here. This is a full, this is a half. KH is used. Dal, this is a dal. D. Dal, DH. Dal, this is a half letter dal. DH. Dal, dal. DH used. Dal, DH is used. Now come here. R, this is one is the R. R, ray. This is a ray. The half letter ray. The RH. Z, in English, Z is used. Seen, in English, small ABC, S is used. Sheen, this is the half letter of the Sindhi, sheen, and this is the English, SH is used. Swad, this one is the half. Zwad, this one is the half. Z is used. Swad, for swad, S is used. But it is in a small ABC. Okay, come here. Toy, T is used. Zoy, Z is used. Ain, this is a half one. A is used. Gain, GH is used. Fe, we use PH. PH is used for the fe. RF is used. This is the same way. Kaf, this is a QU. Kaf, K is used. KH is used. GH is used. GH is used. GH is used. L is a lam. L is used. Come here. Meme, this is a half letter of the meme, and in English, M is used. Small ABC M. And noon half. N. Small ABC is used. Re means NH is used. NH. Okay. Wow, W and V is also used. But it is written in a small letter. In English, small ABC letter. Okay. H is used. Hamza, A is used. In Sindhi, Y is used. Okay, come here. Some sentence has been written here for your practice. You can practice yourself. I have made this solution in English. I have also written their meanings in English. You see there, and then you should make yourself. Okay, we will come here. Do yourself. Practice. Make some sentence. Okay, ma. You can write here ma. Just like same as here I have written. This is the maternal uncle. Ba. You should write here. Ba. The father. Nala, drainage line. Kana, it means weeds, straws through which a hut is made. Mana, agreed. Na. It's the same. In English, mana is translated as agreed. Okay. Tata means bye. Gaba, oxen, plural of ox. Okay. Java, born. Java. In English, it is translated in born. Okay. Tala, lock. It means lock. Khara. You should write here, and then in English, cracks. In river side, the water flows into the cities or villages. It is called crack. Dada means grandfather. It is a paternal relation. It's called Dada in Sindhi. So practice me. Mama, Baba, Nala, Kana, Mana, Tata, Gaba, Java, Tala, Gara, Dada. This is the lesson number 2 has been completed now. Inshallah, we will come next with second pronunciation chart. Inshallah, slow by slow we will learn all of these things. Till then, bye, Khudafis.